Actually.
Well, the Lakers are going to win this by a ton, as you can see. They haven't won a game by 40 points or more since 2011. But they do tonight in the semifinals of the in-season tournament. LeBron James led the charge in 23 minutes. 30 points for LeBron.
He only plays 23 minutes.
This was 5 rebounds.
His dog in like that. How long?
38 and still great. That was your stat line for
Work up a little bit? All the way up? A little more?
Okay.
Yeah, we got to defend. I think we came out with a defensive mindset, and when we defend, we're going to give ourselves a good chance to win any ball game.
You and Anthony Davis all season have been trying to emphasize to this team, it doesn't matter what the score is, every single possession matters. Did you see that tonight?
I think so. I think we're continuing to get better, but the most important thing is we continue to get healthy. And as we get healthy, we get our length back. Our guys are buying into what we want to do defensively. We're helping each other. We're sharing the ball offensively.
Yeah,
We're playing basketball right now.
When it comes to another championship experience this time on Saturday, what are you most looking forward to?
You know why? For the last time they won the championship, they were a defense-heavy team. Now they're focusing on defense. Man, this is wild.
I thought they were last year too.
I thought they were too, but I knew. I was there, I thought so, but I doubted it a little bit. It was just too late. Too much chasing. This is a full season. We're actually starting. Last time we were 2-10 starting the season. It's a big comeback you guys do. And you're going to playoffs. We're going to playoff 14, 13. Chill.
I must say, he was saying one thing, but his play said another. I mean, he set the tone tonight.
So this team's pretty definitely defensive. Let's follow one better. The Nuggets. A lot.